friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. When we are bored eating same routine sandwiches, toast or bread varieties, this is the perfect and healthy bread toast option. That is chili zucchini toast. Delicious toast stuffed with little spicy chili note, creamy paneer note, light sweetness note of zucchini combined to form a tasty toast recipe. Make these delicious toast and start a healthy day. Let's begin the process. I hope you all subscribe to my channel. If not, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Raise a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments. Let's begin. Ingredients required for this are: this is zucchini I have grated and kept ready. This is paneer. I have grated that also. Green chilies and garlic finely chopped. Onions chopped. Roasted gram dal powder. Even if you don't have roasted gram dal powder, you can use either besan or wheat flour. Anything is okay. Salt to taste. Bread slices. I have removed the sides and kept ready, and those sides I have grinded and made it into powder to add into this. Heat a pan. Just roast this bread on both the sides without using any oil. So this is roasted on one side, so we will turn it, and we are not going to roast it completely on the other side because after applying the mixture we are going to toast it again. This much is enough on the other side. We'll remove this now. In the same pan we'll add little oil. Once it is heated, we'll add this chili and garlic into this. Now saute this till it becomes brown in color. Now this is fried. Let's add onions. We'll saute these till the onions are fried properly. So this is done. We'll add little salt to this. Mix this properly. Now we'll add zucchini to this. Because zucchini has got a lot of water in that, we are going to cook this till it gets little dry. So now the zucchini is cooked, so we'll add little roasted gram dal powder to make it more dry, so that our toast remains crunchy, not soft. So this is done. We'll transfer this into a bowl. So to this mixture we'll add this paneer, grated paneer, and this bread powder which we have grinded, and mix this properly. So this is ready. We'll see the next process. We have toasted the bread on one side more, so that side we have to apply this mixture. The other side we are going to roast it on the tawa again, so we did not roast it completely. So now we'll apply the mixture on this. Apply the mixture generously. So this is done. I'll sprinkle little breadcrumbs on this so that it gives little crunchy texture on the top. Tap it a little bit. This is ready. Heat the pan. Add little butter to this. So now we'll place the toast in this way. First let's fry this on one side, then flip it over to the other side. Now we'll apply a little butter on this and then flip it over. So we are going to roast the other side as well, and it will be ready to serve. Here is our healthy and delicious zucchini toast ready to be enjoyed. These toasts make a great start of the day for breakfast or even play a tasty and interesting role as a snack in the evening. Zucchini and paneer combined together with chili garlic give a very toasty taste with creamy texture. I hope you liked my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.